Good morning students. Today we will study about exercise 10.2, that means in geometrical concept exercise 2 10.2, and in this exercise we have to study about angles. What is angles, how do this angle made, and what are the some few more points about the angles we have to study. Okay, so what is angle? Angle, it is a figure formed by two rays having same initial point. It is a figure formed by two rays having same initial points. Okay, for example, see this diagram. Two rays, one ray is this and other ray is this. Okay, one ray is this and other ray is this. So it is a figure formed by two rays. So yes, first ray and this is second ray having same initial point. So this is the same initial point, is known as angle. Okay, is known as angle. This is the angle. Okay, so this is known as angle. This is angle. Okay, now see, this point is called, the same initial point is known by the name vertex. Vertex. Okay, it is called vertex. Okay, it is called vertex. The same initial point is called vertex, and these two rays are known as arm of angle. Okay, so these are known as arm of angle. Okay, sides of angle, arm of angle. It is also known as side of angle also. Side of angle. Okay, so this point is known as vertex. These 2 points are known as arm of angle or side of angle. Okay, so having same initial point, these two rays having same initial point, then the figure is known as angle. Okay, so now what? Now see here one thing. Like this, we have a angle like this. Okay, this is its vertex. So see here, we have, in drawing figure in geometry, naming the figure is very important, is very necessary. It is a very important part of it. Okay, so what we have to name this is as A, here O, and here B. That means this point is B, this point is A, and this vertex is O. Okay, so when we have to name this angle, how do we name? We will name like angle AOB, or we can name it angle BOA. Okay, these are the names by which this angle is known. Okay, angle AOB or angle BOA. But one thing is very important in this figure, that the vertex point will be always in between, the name of the figure. Okay, will be always in between. The vertex point will be always in between. Okay, angle AOB or angle BOA. Okay, like this only we will pronounce the angle. Okay, so what I want to make you understand that angle का नाम हमेशा क्या है? AOB और BOA. लाइक दिस एंगल का नाम, नेमिंग एंगल का नेम देना एंगल को बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, ऐसे फिगर ड्रॉ करना नहीं, एंगल साथ में क्या है, नेम इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट व्हाट, दैट वर्टेक्स का जो भी वर्टेक्स होगा, जो भी तुमने उसको दिया है AOB, जो भी तुमने उसको पॉइंट माना है, वो हमेशा एंगल जब हम बनाएंगे, लिखेंगे, तो वो बीच में ही लिखा जाएगा. ओके, so these 2 point is very important in the figure of angle. Okay, now what, see here, now we have to study about angles. In angle we will have two types of angle we have. Okay, angle is of two type. First one is interior angle. Okay, and second one is exterior angle. Okay, first one is interior angle, second one is exterior angle. So interior angle means what? अंदर का एंगल. Okay, एक्सटीरियर एंगल मीन्स बाहर का एंगल, बाहर वाला एंगल. इंटीरियर मीन्स अंदर वाला एंगल लाइक दिस. ओके, एक्सटीरियर मीन्स बाहर वाला एंगल लाइक दिस. दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दिस इज इंटीरियर, दिस इज इंटीरियर एंगल, दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, so exterior, there are two types of angle. First one is interior angle, second one is exterior angle. Interior angle means the angle which is inside the figure AOB. Okay, second one is exterior angle, which is the outer angle of AOB, is known as exterior angle. Okay, now see here, interior angle. Interior angle. Okay, suppose this is a size of the paper. This is the size of the paper in your copy, and we have drawn this angle. We have drawn this angle. So what is interior angle? Interior angle is this part. This angle is known as interior angle. Okay, suppose this is AOB. So this is interior angle, means this angle is covering which part? This much of the part. Okay, this much of the part is covered by this angle, is known as interior angle. Interior angle. Okay, this is the part of interior angle. Now about exterior angle. Suppose this is the page of your copy. Here we have drawn angle. This is the angle we have drawn. Okay, so now we have to draw exterior angle. So what is the exterior angle? Beside this part, the rest part is exterior angle. That means this part. This part is exterior angle. Why? Because this is the exterior angle. Okay, this is the exterior angle. So all these point is exterior angle. Okay, all these is exterior angle. Okay, so this is the exterior part. Exterior part of angle. Okay, this is the exterior part of angle. This is the exterior part of the angle. So exterior angle means the outer angle, and the interior angle means the interior angle. Okay, inner side of the angle. So this is the exterior and interior angle, which I have thought I have made very clear to you all. Okay, so now what? Now this is very small exercise. Okay, so I have covered each and everything very clearly of this exercise. So now you all complete this exercise. Only 3 questions we have. So you all complete it. If any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.